Hello once again, this is your Highland Travelers. Shout out sa mga followers natin na kagaya kong umaasa sa public utility jeepneys natin. Well, welcome to Panagbenga 2025. Isang paalala lang natin sa mga commuters, drivers, including riders natin that during 21 February, 22 and 23, we will be having a major activities within our AOR. Sa 21 po mga sir and ma'am is magkakaroon po ang Baguio Country Club ng kanilang Centennial Parade. So mostly affected po tayo sa may Session Road together with the Harrison Road and some part of the Magsaysay. Meron po silang parada mga sir and ma'am that would start at 3 PM. So expect po natin that our traffic scheme, meron pong masasarang mga kalsada. Not only kalsada, maapektuhan din ang mga parking and some of our staging area of our public utility jeepneys. So hoping po I just want to warn everybody para po hindi tayo masyadong maipit sa traffic. February 21 po yan mga sir and ma'am. During February 22 and 23, magkakaroon po tayo ng road closure to give way to the activity of Panagbenga 2025. On 22 is the Grand Street Dancing. And on 23 is the Grand Float Parade of Panagbenga 2025 activity. So, most of that day is magkakaroon po ang road closure part of the South Drive, Upper Session Road, Calao Street, together with North Drive, going down to Magsaysay, some part of Abanao Street, Harrison Road, and the whole stretch of the Lake Drive, mga sir and ma'am. Magiging sarado po yan. Kaya mga sir and ma'am, sa mga kagaya ko pong umaasa sa mga jeep natin, magkakaroon po tayo ng rerouting. So, on the part of the trunk line of Navy Base, Maria Basa, Litong, and Mines View, together with Gibraltar, mostly affected din po ang galing ng Bacol and Itogon areas, mga sir and ma'am, no? And other parts like Bukod also. So, meron po tayong rerouting. Kasi pag February 22, road closure na po natin dyan is 5 AM. Expect na po natin na close na po yung mga kalsada. Kaya yung drop and pick up point po natin is here at the near City Hub sa may Leonard Wood Road. Yung mga jeepney po natin is iikot lang po sa may Dole, then lalabas pabalik ng Leonard Wood Road. So mga sir and ma'am, be advised doon po kayo sasakay at doon din po kayo bababa. Kaya during these 2 days of activity, kailangan po nating mag-exercise mga sir and ma'am. For the trunk line that coming from Camp 7, Camp 8, San Vicente, Scout Barrio, Luacan, Kias, Kadaklan, Happy Hollow, Atok Trail, Hillside, Dagshan, Greenwater, Santa Estolastica, Melitalic Cutoff, Atok Trail, Apugan, Virac, and Felix Mines. Sir and ma'am, ang ating pong drop off and pick up point po natin is along the Japanese Garden near Baguio City National High School mga sir and ma'am. So be advised po doon po kayo ibababa. Kailangan po natin maglakad kung saan man tayo pupunta. Kaya agahan po natin ang ating robot. Kung anumang time ang ating robot, anumang time tayo lalabas, agahan po natin para hindi po tayo malate sa ating work. Don't worry, wala pong classes sa February 22. And sa mga magtatrabaho po, pag hindi po cancelan yung work, agahan po na lang natin. For those trunk line of jeepneys na nabanggit natin mga sir and ma'am, is ida-drop off point po kayo dito sa may Baguio City National High School. And ipipick up din po yung mga pupunta sa mga lugar na ito. Dito rin po tayo ipipick up. So hoping po we are clear kung saan po kayo ibababa at saan din po kayo ipipick up. Para po hindi po kayo malito and alam natin kung saan din tayo sasakay. And also for the trunk line of Trancoville, all those trunk line from Trancoville, they only reach Magsaysay. And for Magsaysay Road trunk line coming from La Trinidad, you still may reach your staging area at the Magsaysay Road together with Carino Hill. Okay, and other trunk line in Magsaysay, they may reach their staging area, kaya hindi po tayo masyadong affected. About the Bukawkan trunk line, hanggang kuan lang po tayo, baba lang po tayo sa may Rizal Park, baba ng City Hall. So at least hindi masyadong affected po yung mga trunk line natin. And for Marcos Highway, ito na. For those Marcos Highway trunk line of public utility jeepneys, ang ating drop point and pick up point po natin here is no other than Quezad Road near the Shike's Restaurant. Mga sir and ma'am, be advised po na hanggang doon lang po yung ating mga jeep, doon din po tayo ipipick up. So hoping sana po na i-inform po namin kayo para hindi po kayo kawawa. So once again, this is your Highland Travelers. Ito po yung mga paalala natin sa mga commuters natin na nakadepende po sa public utility jeepneys natin. Okay? For those taxi drivers also, take note sir and ma'am sa mga drivers natin doon na yung oras po ng pag-closure natin is 5 AM ha. Or mas may maaga po tayong i-close, especially Session Road. I-close po natin earlier the time. Kaya mga sir and ma'am, be advised po sana and alam na po natin yung mga rota na pwede nating gamitin. I hope you a happy Panagbanga 2025. Once again, this is your Highland Travelers. Welcome to Baguio City.